I just finished. I just realized there's all those bags right there. Look at all these aesthetically pleasing pictures. Okay, I don't know where to start. I just finished watching the finale of Love is Blind, and I want to know, where can I find a Cameron for me? If you haven't watched the show on Netflix yet, then you should check it out. It's basically a twist on the whole idea of blind dating, and I won't spoil anything for you. Check it out for yourself and see what all the hype is about. Also, I am not sponsored by Netflix. I just realized how that probably sounded like a sponsored comment, but I'm not sponsored by Netflix. Wish I was. Like, Netflix, please sponsor me, because I watch a bunch of stuff on you. I watch a bunch of stuff on Netflix all the time, so please sponsor me. But anyway, I'm not sponsored. But anyway, I just binge watched the show the past week, and the finale came on, and I watched it, and man, you just gotta watch it. You gotta check it out. Anyway, it's funny because I had no intentions of vlogging today, but we have basically ourselves, and we have just been going super hard at unpacking. Fortunately, no one here has. But we've been trying our best to socially distance ourselves and only go out if we absolutely need to, like if we need to go grocery shopping or maybe go get gas for something, I don't know. And I know I can't be the only one that is getting bored sitting at home when all the schools are closed, all the colleges are closed, and all the places are shutting, they're being closed, and all you can basically do is sit at home and watch TikTok videos or YouTube or Netflix, Hulu, or whatever you choose to watch. So these upcoming videos are something that you can watch if you're sitting at home bored like I just was. These are something to entertain you, something that you can watch, something that will entertain me so that I won't die of boredom. And yeah, just realized I forgot I was wearing these crazy looking leggings right here. Oh, you can't even see it. I completely forgot I was wearing these crazy leggings, but enjoy that. I don't even remember where I got these things from, to be honest with you. Let me put you guys on a tripod because your girl's not trying to break this camera. There we go. That's better. I like that. Anyway, I don't have much plans for today. I mean, I'm still gotta unpack. Yeah, I gotta get on that. But first, I think I'm gonna make a smoothie because I saw this healthy keto smoothie recipe that I've been wanting to try. Actually, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So, I've been trying to decide how I'm gonna decorate this office / film room, because if you have watched any of my previous videos, then you know I never had much decor in the background. I'm trying to change that for 2020. I've always wanted to decorate, but staying in apartments, it limits how much and like what you can do and what you can hang. And you can't have like thumbtack holes from hanging up fairy lights. You can't have any, changing the paint. It just depends on the rules of the apartment that you're staying in. And unfortunately, most of the ones that I stayed in, the few that we stayed in, that was not allowed to hang up stuff. I mean, well, you could hang up stuff, but then you would have to pay to get, like, they would keep part of your security deposit because they would have to plug in holes for thumbtacks or nails or whatever you're using to hang up stuff. I used command hook at our last apartment, but it still took off some of the paint, pulled them down. So we had to pay for the whole wall to be repainted. So, lesson learned. Anyway, I'm so excited because I just got a notification that they delivered my Tezza collage kits. And if you haven't seen any of Tezza's collage kits before, it's basically, thank you, it's basically a bunch of aesthetic pictures. Am I the one that like runs up and downstairs? Anyway, it's a bunch of aesthetic pictures, and I saw it on Instagram. I saw like as like the background of some pictures. Actually, let me bring it in here. I think the lighting's a little bit better. Let's see what we got. Oh, I need some scissors. Hey, are the scissors down? Hey, I'm looking for the scissors that were up here a few minutes ago. Like I was using them earlier, but have you seen them? Yep, there it is. Okay. Anyway, Tezza's kits are a bunch of aesthetic pictures. And I think the first time that I saw them, it was they were being used as the background for some picture for some Instagram. I can't even remember the name, it was so long ago. This kit is not the same one as the, I am blurry, what is happening? Autofocus, save me. This is not the exact same one because I remember trying to find it. When I finally found the site to buy it, they were sold out. So I just kept checking back until this one came out, and then I ordered it. So I know I'm gonna need some tape. Okay, I have regular Scotch tape and I have the double-sided tape. And I think I'm gonna go with this. I think I'm gonna go with the double-sided tape. Okay, all you need is tape and this kit. This is cute. Why is it crooked? Okay, so I already know I'm gonna put it on this wall. These fairy lights I hung up when I was doing some TikTok, and it was such a pain because these are all tangled up. So I can either align them perfectly, like one pick underneath the other, or I can scatter them, but like, well, not scatter, but like mix them up and just kind of make them overlap a little bit. I'm gonna mix them up because I think I like the overlapping. Like, I feel like I would like that overall visual more than like right underneath one another. The only thing I'm worried about is I don't know if I'll have enough pictures to cover this wall. Like, I'm okay if it doesn't cover the perimeter. Just most of the background. I'll be happy with that. Like, I'll be good. That's all I want. I just want the collage. I think that would be cute with the little overlap. So that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, hopefully I have enough pictures because I thought these would be a little bit bigger, but it's all good. We'll see. And I think it'll work out even better that I'm doing the scattering placement because I don't expect for it to cover everything. Anyway, I'll probably put a picture in there so y'all know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna get started with this after I find what I do with the tape. Yeah, gonna need that. Time lapse. Okay, they keep falling. It's tape. Save yourself the frustration. Don't use double-sided tape. Use Scotch tape or wall tape if you have it. I was so worried that there weren't enough pictures, but there's definitely enough pictures for what I envisioned. There's so many left. I still want more around here. I still have to put up, but there's so many pictures that I might have enough to put some in my room. I'm so happy with how this is turning out. Okay, so I think I'm gonna just put maybe 1 or 2, 3, and I think I'll be good. It is so nice and sunny outside. Like, let me open up these windows. These blinds here. I'm like feeling all the positive vibes. Speaking of positive vibes, I haven't done this in a real long time, but yeah, let me do, I think I was calling it dose of positivity, DOP. It's been a while, but where's my phone? Oh, okay, there it is. Down here, hopefully I'm still in the shot, I don't know. But today's DOP is life is always changing, and I drift through those changes, good and bad. As I drift through hard times, I take comfort in knowing that I will leave them behind. As I drift away from good times, I take comfort in knowing that one more will come my way. Impermanence is an equal opportunity non-entity. I like that. I mean, it's true, life is always changing. Sometimes bad things happen, but you should just remember that it can only go up from there. And you should, of course, always appreciate the good times. So this is present TIARA for editing TIARA. But I'm filming this in case I forget to end the video because I feel like there's a chance that I might forget to end it. It's 2020. TIARA is trying to do things differently. So I'm going to end today's vlog right here. And I'm praying for any families that have been affected by it's a very scary thing when you think of pandemic, and hopefully you have a home, house, apartment, whatever, that you can stay safe and socially distance yourself from other people. Like, I hope that you guys are doing it just like I'm doing it, and several other people around the world are doing it. But yeah, just be safe, guys, as safe as you can be. It's a scary situation. I just wanted to make stuff to bring about some positivity during this time, because I don't know why I keep grabbing my but anyway, just wanted to bring some positivity into this scary time that we're having. I feel like there's so much negativity that's going on social media. I know you can't like be positive about but I just wanted to put out some positive videos, and it, like I said, it's helping me, curing my boredom, and it's also maybe entertaining for you guys. So I don't know how many videos I'll be putting up this week or the next few weeks or next few months or whatever the case may be. Not yet. Right now I'm thinking that I'll probably put up 2 videos. It might be more. I don't want to tell you guys something and then not stick to it. I'm just keeping it real. So anyway, if there's certain videos that you would like to see on my channel though, let me know in the comments below. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!